Hello everyone. Today I have received new Mele F10 2.4 GHz 3-in-1 fly air mouse, keyboard and remote control from eBay. Uh, I was pretty impressed with eBay delivery quality in India because it took me little less than 3 days to get this order. I ordered Mele set-top Android set-top box from alibabaexpress.com, and it took me at least 30 days to get the same set-top box. So this is a geosensor remote which will work with my Android TV, and it'll help me in doing my Skype call. It'll help me in playing geosensor motion gamings, etc. So let's go straight in and unpack this product. So this is what the box looks like, and though I'll be using this with my Mele product, it says it has a window, Mac machine, Windows 7, Linux and Android support. That's the keyboard. Let's unpack it. Let's see what's inside. Looks like the order statement. We'll not see this. This is the remote. That's the normal geo functions. This is the keyboard. What else we have here? We have one USB, phone to USB connection. Looks like, yeah. And this is multi-function remote control. Okay. And we have a user manual.